How to use a mobile phone properly. Using a mobile phone properly is important for both personal well-being and social responsibility. First, limit screen time to avoid eye strain and mental fatigue. Use blue light filters, especially at night, to protect your eyesight. Avoid using your phone during meals or social gatherings to stay present and respectful. While walking or driving, do not text or talk on the phone. It can be dangerous. Set boundaries for social media use to prevent addiction and stress. Keep your phone on silent or vibrate mode in meetings, schools, or public places. Regularly clean your device and avoid sharing it to maintain hygiene. Use secure passwords and update apps to protect personal information. Avoid charging your phone overnight to extend battery life. Lastly, be mindful of others. Speak quietly in public and don't use your phone to record without permission. Responsible mobile use ensures safety, better relationships, and a balanced lifestyle.